Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand, Gelfand Realty. Guys, today I would like to show a very nice and attractive apartment for the price and for the location. It's middle of Aventura, 12th floor with an incredible view. Guys, this is view which is you can have from your balcony every night and every morning. It's facing west. It's in the middle of Aventura, the best possible schools in the area of Miami area. Guys, close to everything. Aventura Mall, 5 minutes. Shopping, Publix, everything walking distance, and like 15 minutes drive to beach. I mean, who you wanna go to beach? It's only 15 minutes drive. But guys, apartment very attractive for the price. I know you're gonna say, Boris, this is not top remodel apartment. Yes, you're right. But again, it's livable condition. It was updated a couple years ago. So basically, if you want to make it full renovation, guys, you're welcome. But I think it's not reasonable for this kind of price and this kind of building. Again, building, it's called ADMIRAL, and 650 it's maintenance and taxes around 350. So you can check details under the video. We always have link which is provide all information, detailed information for the apartment and for the building and for the area. So always pull up links under video. You can see most updated and recently information. Guys, it's 2-bedroom, 1200 square feet under AC, 2-bedroom, 2 full bathrooms with the 1 parking. So let me show what is inside, and I would love to have your comments under the video, so I will respond to you if you have any additional questions. So kitchen recently updated. 2 years ago it was updated with the brand new appliances, a brand new countertop, and everything brand new. Again, if you thinking about good location and good schools, it could be the apartment. Asking price today only $209,000. And again, it's still a little bit negotiable, because in this building, if you want to buy something fully updated, fully renovated, you're gonna spend between 240 to 50. If you want to buy, like we says, original condition, it means, you know, nobody did any renovation for last 30 years, you can buy 180, 185, something price range. And always on our website, you have building link, you can check prices which is recently sold within 1 year. So it's good comparables, you can make your homework, how much it can be worth. Okay guys, let me show what is happening inside. Again, it has 2 rooms. Let me go to the small one. 2 bedrooms. Again, each room are very good, decent size with the closets, and you have 1 big standard shower shared bathroom, plus you have master bedroom suite. So it has, this is stand-up shower. Guys, apartment ready to move in, and it could be sold with the furniture, so you don't need you don't need to bring anything. Again, bedroom is big size, so it can fit queen size bed with the drawers, everything, and you have 2 closets, her and his, and plus bathroom. Bathroom has tub. Okay, so a bathroom has tub, toilet. So again, asking price $209. It's ready to be sold. So if you're thinking to buy something not expensive for the, you know, for the budget between 200 to 250, I think it's going to be the best possible choice. Again, it's possible to rent, but you have to be owner for 2 years after you can rent it. Rent possible, which is potentially you can get between $1,700 to $1,900. This is what you can rent if you, after 2 years. Guys, maintenance $650, I said it. Taxes around $300, $350, depend from the purchase price. All taxes depends from the purchase price. And again, feel free to ask me questions. My phone 646-431-8072. You can use WhatsApp, you can use Viber, and always welcome to visit our website. Our website has daily updates for all inventory in Miami and West Palm. You can see everything what exists, daily updates. It's not fake advertisement, everything recently updated every night. Guys, feel free and see you soon.